Hi, Lake Havasu City. Jerry Bracamani here, and I'm here with one of our awesome maintenance leads from street maintenance, and we're going to go behind the scenes with him and see what his day is all about. So tell us your name and what you do for Lake Havasu City.
My name is Ryan Boyd, and I am the lead street maintenance of the sign shop here in the street department.
And how long have you worked for Lake Havasu City?
Going on almost 10 years with the city.
Why did you choose to live and work in Lake Havasu City?
Well, I chose it because I wanted to work with the public. I have a background with the Bureau of Land Management, and from there, I wanted to work with the public.
So, as a maintenance lead, what are some of the key things you handle day to day?
Well, each and every single day we do anything from changing signs to actually fixing roads, potholes. A lot of times if there's accidents in the city, we end up having to take traffic control out and working side by side with law enforcement and even fire and making things good.
Traffic control during special events is a big deal for safety. What goes into planning something like that?
Well, we work with events, City Hall, and coming into its planning is probably weeks and sometimes months in advance to actually making sure of safety and putting on a good event for the city and the people that come here.
Ryan, what's the most rewarding part of your job?
The most rewarding part is actually people's safety, but also making our public happy where they live and beautifying the city each and every single day.
What's something that the public doesn't know about street maintenance?
I think what they don't realize is how much time and even of a drop of a dime if something happens that goes behind the scenes.
If you could name a street in Lake Havasu City, what would the street name be?
I think all our street names are really good. I do. And people know out there's certain signs, name signs, that they love to actually steal and take home multiple times. I would like to ask, hopefully there's a lot of work that does go into making these signs. If we can just kind of please leave them alone and just leave it be. Thank you.
Thanks so much for sharing. We appreciate all you do for the city and keeping it clean and safe, and especially during special events. These guys and gals do a hard work out there, so please give them a shout out in the comments below. And until next time, Lake Havasu City, these are the faces of Havasu.